Join me as we soar above 8 historical destinations from Switzerland to France in 2 minutes. First, the Bernese Minster is in the heart of Bern, Switzerland's capital. At 300 feet, it's the tallest cathedral in the country, offering panoramic views after climbing 344 steps. Number 2. Interlaken, nestled between stunning turquoise lakes in the Swiss Alps, is a hub for adventure sports like skydiving and hiking, offering endless activities and breathtaking natural beauty. 3. Predigerkirche, Zurich's historic Dominican church, features Gothic architecture, a towering bell tower, making it one of the city's most iconic and impressive landmarks. Geneva's iconic 125-year-old water jet, originally a practical solution, now captivates visitors as a stunning tourist attraction, soaring 460 feet into the sky above Lake Geneva. Geneva's St. Pierre Cathedral, where John Calvin once preached, showcases stunning architecture and an archaeological site uncovering 1150 BC relics, including a chieftain's grave. Charmonix, in the French Alps, is Europe's extreme sports capital, famed for backcountry skiing, mountaineering, and hosting the historic first Winter Olympics in 1924. The Arc de Triomphe in Paris honors those who fought and died for France during the French Revolution and the Napoleonic Wars, with the names of all French victories and generals inscribed on its inner and outer surfaces. Built for the 1889 World's Fair, the Eiffel Tower symbolizes Paris's innovation and romance. It features a recreated office of Gustave Eiffel at the uppermost level, who once hosted luminaries like Thomas Edison. Thank you for watching.